Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a resin sphere, a sphere with 6 colours in it. All the colours are from Eye Candy Pigments, and the first tool we're using to get it around is the #1 hollower. And as you can see now, we've switched to the mid-size rougher, and they are from Easy Wood Tools, and we are just flattening off the sides. All of the Easy Wood tools and cutters will be listed down in the description if you are interested. There we go, just giving it a quick wipe over with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, just to see all of them colours. Alright, we're going to quickly mark out the centre of where we want the sphere to be, and on the other end kind of speaks for itself. Alright, now we're going to pretty much turn a kind of a sphere shape before we move to the next step. So we're going to start with one side. And we've got the #1 hollower here. Still sticking with the negative rake cutters. They are the go-to cutter when you are doing resin for me. Makes life so much easier. Alright, now we've switched to the detailer so we can get down right into there. I'm doing a bit of shear scraping with it now as well. Go do the other side as well. And there you go. Alright, we're going to quickly put the centre point back on with the Sharpie. There we go, and we've switched to the Paul Howard Sphere Jig. This is a fantastic jig. The only kind of gripe I've got with it is I wish it had a negative rake cutter on it. So you'd be mindful of that, but it is still a fantastic tool. There we go. Just go back and forth. Gradually bringing the cutter in until you've got your perfect sphere shape. There you go, and just obviously make sure it's on dead on centre. Alright, we've now got the sphere between two cup centres. And we're going to take off that little nubbin. So the first tool we're going to use is the #1 hollower. Obviously you've just done all of that work with the sphere jig. You don't want to cut deep into the sphere and take away all of the work that you've just done. So we've got the mid-size rougher now. And now we're going to start some sanding. There we go, now we're going to flip it in the cup jaws. And carry on sanding. You know, we're going to give it a quick wipe down with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, now here's some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. I'm going to wipe this all over until you have a clean paper towel. You have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. And there we go. Alright, this is a leftover from the resin and aluminium donut that I did. So if you want to see, check that video out, I'll leave a link up in the cards. I'm just going to turn this to shape as it is going to be for the stand. Still sticking with the negative rakes here. And there we go. There's the shape that we wanted. Alright, now we're going to give it a quick sand. There you go, clean it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There we go, and some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. You see all the black coming off on the paper towel? That is from the Yorkshire Grit and the aluminium, where you're polishing the aluminium and cleaning it up. You know, just giving it the last few wipes now. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.